can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tights, you in love with being
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Forever Shar. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this bun and these cute fall nails. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button, and stay tuned to see the rest of this video. So I will be using the Xtreme wetline gel. This helps me tremendously, along with 3 hair wrappers, a brush that I got from Dollar General, 2 packs of Marley style hair that I got from the not the dollar store, but the beauty supply store, which only cost me like $5.99 or $6.99 a pack, and they actually came 2 in a pack. So yeah, I'm trying to do me a bun. I will be going out of town soon, and I just want to be cute along with my nails. So what you're seeing me doing here is I'm parting my hair to my liking. Clearly I'm hurting, and I'm going to part my hair into 3 sections, 2 sections in the front and a section in the back. So parting my hair into 3 sections actually helps me to get the sleekest bun or sleekest ponytail that you will ever see. I actually got the idea from YouTube. It actually takes less time, is less stressful, and it is more convenient, and you won't tear or put too much tension on your hair doing these 3 parts. I'm going to rub gel all throughout this section just to get that sleek look. I want to make sure that the back part is secure. I want to make sure that everything within this sleek bun is secure, and I'm going to show you how I'm actually brushing it to get it very sleek in the back. Now that we've slicked the back side to our liking, I'm going to use a hair wrapper to secure and make sure that it's not too tight, because if you do it too tight, you will be hurting, or you will have so much pain in the back. Your hair will be pulling and stretching, and you don't want your hair to tear in the back. I have gotten to the point where my edges, they just gonna edge, and I'm just getting to the point where I don't care. They're thin, whatever, at least I have a little bit. But I'm sleeking that front side down. Again, I'm going to do this in probably like 2 or 3 sections to get that sleek look in the front. I want to make sure that my hair is not puffing out or coming out, or due to the sun, it's a little, it's a little humid. I want to make sure that everything is secure. I'm trying to go for a swoop. I actually did go for a swoop. I don't want a deep swoop. I don't want anything covering my eye or anything. But I did want to swoop this side, because on this side, my edges are a little thinner than the other side. So I just wanted to hide that section. And it's okay. Comment down below if you have thin edges. My golly geez. Literally, comment down below, because your girl has been struggling for forever, for life. Literally, for life. Once I've sleeked my hair down to my liking, I'm going to add the second hair wrapper. Again, you just want to make sure that each section is sleek. This works for me. You do what works for you, but this has been working for me, and I've been doing sleek buns for a minute. The same step applies to this side. You're going to sleek it down really well. Make sure you detangle your hair before you do this hairstyle. I cannot stress that enough. If you do not detangle before you do this hairstyle, it's going to be very, very complicated. So you want to make sure that your hair is well detangled. And I'm going to brush that down, and I'm going to add my 3rd hair wrapper to this style. Now that we've slicked everything down, I'm going to just style to my liking and the way that I would like. And yeah, I'm going to take those side pieces out. I call them sideburns on each side. I'm going to do like some little, maybe a little baby hair, a little swoop to do on this side. And I'm also going to add a little spray just to cover up some of those spots. If you're having thin edges, like this actually works. They also make black edge control just to cover up any spots that you feel insecure about. And this is one of my insecurities, is my edges, definitely. I wrap my hair in the back. I like to make sure that it's detangled, and I'm going to twist that, and I'm going to wrap that around and add another hair wrapper just to secure that part as well. I like to make sure that that part is very, very secure, meaning that the bun, that little small bun, is not going to flap out or fly out anywhere. Now to the fun part. This hair is from, I think it's from like Janet's collection. Not sure, I would have to go back and look at it, but I do think it's from Janet's collection. This is like the Marley brand, and what I'm doing right here is I'm stretching the hair so that it can be uneven. So I don't want all the hair to be even, I want it to be uneven. Therefore, when I wrap it around, it won't be so hard for me to wrap it around when I have to tuck. So to secure this ponytail on the back of my head, I'm going to tie a hair wrapper around it. You want to make sure that, I know I keep saying secure, but girl, make sure that this stuff is secure, because if it's not secure, this stuff is bound to just fall off. And I'm going to tie that around the bun, the mini bun that I made with my real hair. Make sure you take 2 pieces of hair. So I split the hair in half, and on one side I'm going to twist, and then I'm going to wrap in the opposite direction. Does that make sense? So with one piece I'm going to wrap to, I think I went from like left to right, and then on the other side I'm going to go from right to left. So this is going to create like the bun that you guys are going to see. Now I'm not a professional in any form, shape, or fashion. I do my own hair because it's more convenient for me and it's cheaper. I'm just saying, this hairstyle probably cost me like $8. So I'm basically twisting and wrapping, twisting and wrapping, twisting and wrapping. And once I reach the ends, I'm going to tuck that in. I'm going to twist those, and I'm going to tuck it underneath the rest of the hair. Done with our bun, I'm going to add the wide bobby pins. I don't like the ones that are tight closed. I like to add the wide ones. It just works better for me. And you're going to add those bobby pins to the pieces where you feel that may unravel. So that's what I'm doing in this part of the video. Add some edge control. I'm only adding edge control to like the sideburns. I was trying to get the little swoop. You know how you guys do that little swirl thing? I have been trying to learn how to do that for the longest. I just know how to do the regular sideburns. I don't know how to do all that. But I actually did it in this video. Or not. I probably didn't. But I attempted to do it in this video. And I'm also going to add a little edge control on the side where the swoop is, just to give it a little baby hair. You want to make sure your baby hair is on fleek. And here we have the finished look of my sleek low bun with the Marley hair added. This is gonna last me for about 2 weeks. I had to get some maintenance in because your girl was looking real crazy. So now let's do these raggedy nails. Let's get into these Fall Gel X nails, girls. My nails were already prepped before even recording this video. I'm going to use fall colors. Everything in this video will be in the description box below, but the colors that I used were like an orange, a burnt orange, a brown, and a tan. And right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a swirl, I guess a swirl or a marble nail. I really thought that was really, really cute. I just came up with these ideas as I went. I was freestyling these nails while doing this video, so I just didn't have a particular style. I just knew what I wanted as soon as I seen these colors. To get this swirl look or the marble look, you want to use a dotting utensil just to swirl side to side. Do not swirl where you're going to blend all the colors, because you're going to get one color. It's reminding me of like chocolate covered strawberries or something. I really love this, even though it's an orange, but it kind of look like a red here. I'm going to use this little viral tool that you guys have been seeing on TikTok just to get a tip. Now, this works better if you had very long nails. Like if your nails were super long. My nails were like medium, but it did what it needed to do. You just will have to go underneath your nail and clean it up. But this color that I'm using right here is the burnt orange. It is so pretty. It's like giving fall. Y'all just don't understand. I love fall. And right here I'm going to clean, like I said, I'm going to clean with alcohol underneath my nail, and I'm going to try to get the size of that so that it can look full on the sides. Fall leaves, the fall flakes are in full effect. But yeah, I'm going to put that on my ring finger. First, I'm going to add me some gel polish, some clear. This is actually a top coat gel polish. And then I'm going to apply those fall leaves, or those fall, it's like a gold. I did like a gold and an orange on my ring finger. Now, you guys, these stuck out. So what I had to do is I had to go on top of it with like a glass gel polish, and I had to foul it. I had to literally foul this. I'm not going to show that in the video. I'm just telling you guys what I did. I had to foul that nail, and then I had to go back on top of it with another glass coat. It worked for me. The nails came out beautiful. So on my pinky and my thumb, salve me and fizz, you know, they do the pinky and the thumb thing. But yeah, with my pinky and my thumb, I'm going to add a top coat on that. And then I'm going to add a orange chrome. Like, y'all, literally, I just came up with this idea while I was recording this video. I just knew right then what I wanted to do as soon as I started recording. But yeah, I'm going to put that chrome nail on my thumb and my pinky finger. And after I do this coat, I'm going to add a top gel coat. And then I'm going to go back and do a second coat of the chrome. Don't be like me in this video. Don't get the chrome on your skin. I got it on my skin, but I did go in and clean it up with alcohol. So it was an easy fix. It was able to get off. And if you guys are wondering, I am using gel polish. So I am curing this under the light for about 60 seconds or 30 seconds or 120 seconds. My chrome nails are complete. I'm going to go ahead and add a top gel coat on top of my middle finger and my index finger. And I'm also going to add a top coat on top of the chrome nails as well. And once you guys get deeper into this, you will see that I'm going to add jewelry to my middle finger. I didn't know if I wanted to add jewels to the top or the bottom, but I did wind up adding it underneath that tip because I just thought it was so cute. I added a glass coat, as I said previously, on top of my ring finger just to give it that glass look. I wanted it to have that clear look, and again, I did have to go back in and file that nail, but they came out really cute. Now let's add some alcohol to clean up any messy or tackiness from that gel polish. We all know that your nails are not complete if you're not applying any cuticle oil. It just gives the finished look. It just makes it pop, in my honest opinion. If you're wondering, I filed and buffed my nails off camera, so that's not something that I added in this video, but the nails came out really nice. And here's the finished look of my nails. It is giving very much fall. This is the fall look, and I will be wearing these nails up to 2 to 3 weeks because that's how long they last for me with the Gel X. If you want to know how I actually apply my Gel X, I will insert a video at the top. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.